In this video, I'll show you how to create realistic videos on Higgsfield AI. First, choose the right model for your video. Higgsfield offers several models to pick from. Kling 3.0 is the best option for high-quality motion and lip sync. Sora 2 is great for sketch-to-video workflows, where the AI turns your drawings into a cinematic scene. WAN 2.5 supports full text-to-video with advanced prompt understanding and synced audio. Choose whichever model fits what you are trying to create. Next, prepare your input image. Start with a sharp, well-lit image that has a clean and simple background. This helps the AI generate cleaner and more realistic results. You can use models like Nano Banana Pro inside Higgsfield to create a consistent AI character with realistic skin textures and lighting. For even more control, upload a start frame and an end frame. This locks in exactly how your shot begins and ends and gives you precise control over the movement in between. Now, write your prompt using filmmaking language. Follow this formula: composition, then subject, then camera move, then mood. For example, you could write something like medium close-up, eye level, subject turns slightly, slow dolly in, soft cinematic lighting, 35mm lens, realistic film grain. Keep your prompt focused on one clear camera move. Using too many movements in one prompt usually makes the result look less realistic. Once everything is set, click Generate and wait for your video to process. That is how you do it.